The dashboard on the screen shows important information to help users quickly check how well a group of vehicles or assets are doing. It tells you how many vehicles are currently being tracked and whether they're running, idle, or stopped. You can also see the total distance the vehicles have covered in the last 10 days. The 10-day view is divided into time of day in this section. This section shows the recent events or notifications triggered by the tracking devices. Here you see a list of GPS units that will soon expire. Click here to go to the tracking map. You can also check reports by clicking on this section. When you go to the map page, you can see the total number of tracked vehicles on the map. You can click here to pick the map style you prefer, such as terrain or satellite. Clicking on a vehicle icon gives you details like the vehicle's name, location, and more. You can also navigate to a vehicle from your current location and assign drivers to vehicles. To view more vehicle details, click on the Vehicle Details tab. You can also adjust other vehicle settings there. The software also provides logs for today and a replay option to see past events. You can also configure sensors for each tracking device. To do so, follow these steps. Enter the sensor's name. Choose an icon for the sensor. Select the input type, digital or analog. And then select the input value, such as converting voltage to fuel level. You can also adjust other values like speed variation, distance variation, and odometer in the Settings tab. The History view lets you check past vehicle data on the map and see timelines showing when vehicles stopped and ran. You can zoom in and out on the map for a better view. You can also see an events list here in the side menu. The bottom menu shows options like locating a vehicle on a new tab, showing the vehicle's path, creating geofences or points of interest, and navigating to a vehicle's location. For geofencing, you can define the area with lines, polygons, squares, circles, or markers and create your own title, description, and tolerance. You can also create points of interest with various details and notifications. The dashboard allows you to set up reminders based on service needs, such as last service date, time, kilometers, and engine hours. You can also add expenses and generate expense reports. You can create external tracking links with options like vehicle selection, link duration, and level of detail. You can also copy the link to share it. To check vehicle logs, select the vehicle name, date range, and time interval. You can view details in a table and on the map, and export them as PDF or Excel. Report options let you choose a report type, apply filters, and select the output format to PDF, Excel, or CSV. You can also customize the report columns. Admin features allow you to manage vehicles, renew licenses, add and edit drivers, set up notifications, handle support, feedback, edit company details, and manage user passwords. At GPS Canada Track, we are committed to providing you with a great user experience.